Hi and welcome to Made by Kids. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a little DIY spa day with your kids. So we're going to be making our own face masks as well as our own homemade bath bombs. So the reason I'm doing this is for spring break we're doing a little staycation. So I wanted some fun little spa-like treats for the girls that we could make together, and then we'll pretend we're having a little spa day at home. So we have robes, comfy slippers. We'll do the face mask, a little nails. So I'm going to show you everything I'm using as well as the recipes and how to for the face mask as well as the homemade bath bomb. Thanks so much for watching. All the recipes and directions for everything you see is available on madebykidsco.com. So head there for the full recipe and instructions. And give it a like or subscribe to see some more fun content celebrating crafting and cooking with kids. All right, here we go. Let's get the relaxation started. Okay, so I got each of the girls these little bags, and they're mesh, so they're great for like a shower bag or a beach or pool caddy. They can put wet stuff in it, wet suits or something like that. So we'll use them for more stuff, but I got these little bags for their little spa day. And that is from Amazon. And then each of these, the rest is all from the dollar store. So these little head wraps, they can put on while we're doing the face mask. We're gonna do nails. And this little DIY nail kit is from the dollar store. It includes 2 sets. So each girl will have one, and they can kind of put these little nail stickers on their nails. Here's the other head wrap and nail polish. So 2 of these little bags. This is going in here with a little loofah. And then I'll also show you the slippers and the robe we're going to be wearing. I'm bringing some cucumbers with, and we're going to be using these. It's like a little science experiment today to make our bath bombs. So essentially you're using these, it's Epsom salt. So I'm just going to crumble up these tablets, and they have a nice lavender smell. It also makes them a little purple. And then the baking soda. And then you need like a citric acid or some kind of acid to kind of get it to, it's going to foam almost like a volcano, and then that's how the bath bomb's going to form. And then you can just set it to dry, and once it dries and hardens, it's ready to use. So it does not take long to make your own. If you buy bath bombs, you know they kind of add up quickly. So we're going to make our own and have a little fun doing that. You can also use molds to make different shapes, circles, like a silicone mold with fun little shapes. Add food dye to make them different colors. So I will show you the recipe and how we made our own bath bombs right now.
This recipe is 1 cup of baking soda and half a cup of cornstarch, lemon juice, and Epsom salt.
lipsticks, and these are all the ingredients, and you can choose a bottle, and then you open it like this, and then your chapstick's gonna be like this, and then you're gonna do this.
So fun! Is this part of our spa night?
Yes. And these are the flavors.
Girls'
these are the
night.
bottles, and then these are the glitters, and little shimmers. And if you watch our video tomorrow, stars, beads. That's a part of our girls' night. If you find that one, it's the American Doll one, and if you watch it, then you can see the whole girls' night.
That's right. Girls Weekend, American Girl, DIY spa night. Spa night would also be fun, but spa night. Lip kit. So you're dropping
These are the flavors. Again, I
gloss.
told you these are the flavors.
all the
There's
flavors.
strawberry.